Alright, so you guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and get right into this video and show you guys how I blow my hair out and give it a quick trim. Now what I'm doing is I'm starting on some freshly washed hair that I didn't do anything else to it, but I put it in 2 twists. So as you can see, it has a little bit of tangle to it. So I'm just going to take my wide tooth comb starting on the ends, and I'm going to start to detangle that section, making sure that I'm gentle because I don't want to be ripping my hair out, especially with the type of blow dryer I'm getting ready to use. I don't want any excess tangles. Okay, so what we have here is it's a Revlon blow dryer. Honestly, I don't remember the name of it. It's like a multi-purpose one, but you guys can kind of look it up. It's from Revlon, like I said. So just check down in the description. I'll make sure I get a link to it so you guys can check that out. It's really awesome. And what I like about this blow dryer is that it's getting any extra tangles that I may have while blowing my hair out. So that's really nice, and it works really quick. So for the way that I'm getting ready to do this, I don't need my hair to be like bone straight or anything like that. I just want to be able to manipulate my hair easily, so I like to blow it out. And then, right, as you guys can see, I'm just going to go ahead and repeat this process on the second section of this hair, again starting at the bottom. And trust me, I'm not as rough on my hair as it may look. So yeah, just start at the bottom and be kind of gentle and work those tangles out, because you don't want to, you know, excessively pull on the hair. And again, I'm just gonna run my blow dryer through it. And so like I said, I do this type of detangling. Well, I did when I was relaxed, and I just found out it works out really good. I will say that the way that I'm getting ready to trim my hair is probably not best for somebody with excessive damage or anything. As you guys will see once I get ready to trim it, because it's really simple trim. It's not a big trim. I'm not cutting off a lot of hair. I'm just really gonna treat those ends. And so there, I'm just you know, playing with it a little bit. You know, I don't really see my hair this straight that often, so it's really nice. You guys can kind of see my ends. They're not bad. Remember, I didn't blow dry it out so it's bone straight or anything. I'm just really gonna go back through it. And I notice, like, sometimes when I twist my hair, I'll have like these little straggly ends. So this is the whole purpose of what I'm getting ready to do. So now that I've done 3 sections, I'm just showing you guys as I finish up the last section, blowing that hair out, and I'm going to be getting ready to start the trim soon. Okay, so now that all of my hair has been blown out, I've really gotten rid of just about all of the tangles that may have been in it. I'm just gonna go through and comb it down, like you guys can see, obviously. Checking it out a little bit, just really making sure I get all of the tangles out. That's really important. So yeah, more combing. So you guys can tell my hair is not blown out bone straight. You can see from like the amount of fluff up toward the root area, and for me that's perfectly fine, as I don't normally wear my hair blown out. Sometimes I'll stretch it out, or you know, I usually wear it a wash and go or like a puff or something like that. So this is the hair that we're going to be starting on. Again, I'm just kind of playing in it. Don't mind me. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and get started. As you can see on the comb, not very much hair came out. That's just like some shed hair. So again, working it back through. Now we're gonna get ready to start the actual trim process. And the way I trim my hair, I don't have a name for it, but I kind of pull all my hair to each direction, and that's how I trim it. So I like to start off getting all of my hair combed straight back. Then I run my hand down, and that's usually how I catch any stray hairs that may have came off, and I'll just kind of toss those to the side. So what you want to do, if you're going to do this, you're going to start to twist the hair tightly at the base of the neck and pull it to one side as you twist, and you're going to work it all the way down until I get to like a little point, and you guys see the little straggly hair on the end. That's the point where I'm going to clip it. Really easy, right? Like I said, I'm not trimming off a lot, and as you can see, my hair is relatively smooth, so I don't have a lot of damage on my hair or anything like that, and this is definitely not for somebody who has a lot more damage. Okay, again, now we're going to take the hair to the back again, and we're going to repeat the process, twisting it to the opposite side. That way, this is also going to keep my hair even because I'm, working all the way across. Yeah. I just kind of thought about it in my head, like, what are you talking about? But anyway, yeah, we're going to twist it all the way down. Again, I'm going to start bringing it closer. You guys can kind of see like the little pieces as I twist it, and that's where I'm going to clip it at. Easy. Done. So there. Now all those little straggly pieces are gone, and now we're going to take it again, still working from the back. Ooh, look at those inches. Yeah, I'm so excited my hair grew back after I chopped it all off. I'm not even gonna lie. Look at my baby. Okay, so now what you're gonna do, you're gonna take all your hair up to the top of the head. Like, I'm a little out of frame, but once you get it all the way up there and twist it all the way down where it gets straggly on the end, again, we're gonna clip it. Like I said, this is a super easy trim, and I know it's a little bit weird and it may not work out for everyone, but trust me, you guys, this is what I've been doing since my hair was relaxed. It worked then, and it's still working now. So now we're still working through the middle. You're going to put it right up against the base of the forehead and twist down. So now, so far, we've done both sides at the nape of the neck. We've done the top of the head, and now we're doing all the way to the front, and we're going to go ahead and clip that part off. Done. Okay, so now I'm just kind of playing around with my hair, trying to manipulate and get it around. So now we're going to start on the side. The first thing you want to do is pick whatever side you're going to start on, and I pull the hair down and over my ear, and I'm going to do that same process, twisting it all the way down. I'm going to repeat this for anybody who didn't see me say it before or hear me say it before, and we're going to clip that end off. Staying on that side. Now, instead of going over the ear, you're going to twist the hair above the ear. And that's just going to get, some people may have shorter hairs toward the top of the head. When you move the hair up, now you're getting those hairs all the way to the end of that twist. Again, twist it all the way down. Keep twisting. Any of those straggly hairs and everything is going to come all the way down to the end. And we're going to go ahead and clip those off. So I'm only clipping maybe about 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch in some areas. If you guys checked on my Instagram story, I think I had the picture of my hair like that. I definitely thought my hair was super cute. I was feeling it. Look at me. So yeah, we're just going to repeat that process. Now, as you guys can see, I'm combing it to the opposite side, repeating that twist over the ear and all the way down. You guys can see the hair. Like I said, it wasn't blown all the way out, and look how smooth the hair is. You see it? It's nice and smooth. I don't have a bunch of flyaways. Yeah, and really simple. Clip that end off. And yeah, just like that. And now we got one more to do. I'm just getting the hair situated again. Now we're going to pull it up again. And we are twisting, twisting, twisting all the way to the end. Like, it's really important that you get the twist all the way to the end. That way you can really see the hair that's sticking out, and that's all kind of straggly on the end. Is straggly even a word? I don't even know. Somebody let me know down below. Okay, you guys, now honestly, that's all I do with my trimming for my hair, and I don't trim it that often. So now I'm going in with some Sunny Isle Rosemary Jamaican Black castor oil. I know some of you guys have probably been looking like, what is going on with her edges? Like, oh my goodness, like seriously. I'll explain to you guys. I had a baby. He's about 8 months now. Yay! And This is the first time, it's my third child, and I had some extreme postpartum shedding. Like, y'all, it took all my edges out. Hair all around my head was gone, completely gone. It was terrible. So I've been using my castor oil, and as you guys can see, the little curls, that's all new growth. Like, all that hair has just grown in, so it's brand new hair. And yeah, so don't talk about my struggle edges right now. But yeah, so this is what I've been doing. I just add a little bit of the castor oil to my edges and work a little bit onto my hair. For you guys who don't know, castor oil is not really something that I use for moisturizing. I use it more to like seal, and then I add a little bit on there just to help thicken and strengthen my hair. So now, since it is you know, the end of the day for me, I just really, I'll either part my hair and I'll put it in a 2 twist, and then I'll put my bonnet on, or if I want to really just pull it up, just keep it really simple, I'll take a brush. As you guys can see, it's a boar bristle brush, and I just kind of use the soft side of that to brush everything up. And I'm just gonna put it up into like a ponytail. Now, you don't want to put this in a super tight ponytail, especially if you got some edge issues going on like myself. As you guys can see, the ponytail is nice and loose. And then I'm just gonna twist that and put it into a bun all the way around. And it's not gonna be shown on here, but I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna put my bonnet on, and I'm gonna call it a night. So you guys, if you have any questions about it, let me know. Bye.